Hey guys, so today it's a very important day for my family. Today we start planting seeds that eventually will go in the greenhouse. Yay! I went to the thrift store here in Pinedale, the food basket. We love it. And I got this table and I also got a crib. Oh my goodness! That crib it's wonderful and it's already on the greenhouse, and that crib is going to be raised bed. So I'm very excited about that. Welcome to our spare room, guys. As you can see, we have the greenhouse behind me. This place, where we were thinking about building a greenhouse, we thought about converting this spare room into one, but later we decided to build our own. So this is where I started the seeds last year, and this is the place where I will start them this year. So as I said, I'm very excited. This is a very important day for our family, and I wanted to share it with you. So just wish us luck. I'm gonna start now. First, a tip that I learned from my mother-in-law last year is to first rinse them all off with warm water. So I did that, and so now I'm starting to plant seeds.
Last year, Conor, my lovely hubby, built us a greenhouse. We learned lots about it. I hope you join us this year in our greenhouse project. After I planted all the seeds, I sprayed them with water.
There you go. You've got ones. We will have carrots, tomatoes, serranos, okras, green beans, squash, zucchinis. That one says broccoli, and many more. Look at this. Yay! Soon it will be here. Ta-da! On our greenhouse. Yay! Wish us luck, guys. Hey guys, it's Tuesday morning, and I have been watering my plants every day ever since I planted them. Every day I come here and spray them. On the meantime, the plants are growing. Why don't you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell? It helps us a lot if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wanna live off this, and I can only do it with your help. So please hit the subscribe button and the bell, and visit our online store. What are you waiting for? Bring the heart of Wyoming to your home, and yeah, enjoy your day. Have a nice day. See you next week.